having trouble with Facebook Messenger calls not working on your iPhone in 2024? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to fix the issue quickly and easily. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Messenger calls require a good internet connection to work properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, ensure you're connected and have a strong signal. If you're using mobile data, check that you have sufficient data and a strong signal. Next, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Sometimes bugs and issues are fixed in the latest updates. To update Messenger, open the App Store, go to search bar and search for Messenger. And if there is an update available for Messenger, tap on update. If updating the app didn't solve the problem, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix many issues. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button until the slider to power off slide appears. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. Then, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Another common issue is app permissions. Make sure Messenger has the necessary permissions to access your microphone and camera. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Messenger. Ensure that the microphone and camera permissions are enabled. Lastly, ensure your iPhone is running in the latest version of iOS. Sometimes, software updates include fixes for bugs that might be causing issue. To check for updates, go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, tap Download and Install. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix Messenger calls not working on your iPhone in 2024.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.